It's trying. Hey guys, and welcome to JBS Garage. And this today is an amazing one, yeah? I think you guys are really gonna like this, because I know I'm getting excited. I'm not sure if you're starting to see stuff behind me or not, but today's gonna be a good one. Now, if you want to see an update on the Cines, leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe, because we've got lots and lots of stuff happening to these bikes soon. So, are you guys ready to see what the new project is? Because it's new, it's big, and it's coming hot. Boom. No, what on earth have I got just a frame? Well, I haven't. You're about to see what I have got. I would like to welcome to the YouTube channel my new Pulse Adrenaline. I'm probably going to call it Alex Moto Adrenaline the whole time, but it is a Pulse. So yeah, it's got every panel apart from the right hand side of that rear one. It needs a good old bit of work doing to it. It's been sat since 2015, I'm guessing, from the MOT history. It's covered in mud and shit. And the fuel tank, you can see, is so rusty on the outside, but when you look inside, it's basically brand new. So that is actually reusable. Somehow, like out of a pure luck, somehow that is reusable. So, yeah. The exhaust, the downpipe, I'm not going to get that off for the next 10 years. So that's a bit of a problem. Need some mole grips for that. The throttle cable, I actually used an angle grinder to get off. I've already stripped a lot of parts off this bike. The handlebars just went on Jake's YBR. Yeah, I'm just going to go through, give it a good clean up. But wait, there's more. So here we are. And here's the full wire loom and everything, and the number plate. This all came on the bike. I've stripped it off myself already in preparation, because the wire loom itself needs a lot of work and good clean up. So I thought having it off the bike is going to be the easiest way to do all of that. Because then I'm not trying to bring soldering irons out to the bike and shit like that. So there's the loom and everything. It's got both switch gears, which is good, but one of them is pretty knackered, so I'm probably going to get a matching set of 2 new ones, cut the wires, put the longer wires from the Adrenaline on, because the Adrenaline wires are actually like triple length for the switch gear. For some reason they go all the way back down to the frame before they go anywhere else, rather than just going behind the headlight. Don't know why, they just do. Yeah. I've got a load of new rags now, clean ones, and then I've got the dirty box underneath it. Oh, everything's going amazing. And I've been painting this in this fuel tank. This is purely to stop rust in the bits where I've sanded and filled it before. But yeah, and it was just some leftover paint I had from Jake. Painted the frame on it the other day as well, so she's looking nice and pretty. So guys, without further ado, let's start cleaning. So, just for a minute, I'm going to get all this apart and untangled. Ready to clean the wiring up, because I'm pretty sure this is why the bike isn't a runner. Why it's been sat for years. I'm pretty sure, if I can find it in a minute for you guys, I know exactly what the problem is. So, I'm just going to separate it all out, get it all undone. And you ready for the problem? So this is the CDI box. And you can see it takes this connector here. This connector, look at all the wires for it. They're all tangled and frayed to fucking, I don't know what's gone on here. Like, oh my god, I don't know what wire's supposed to go where here or anything. Like, this has been messed with majorly. Those 4 sockets there are blocked off, so I'm assuming they're not actually used by the wiring loom, thank god. But this wire here just doesn't go to anywhere. I'm assuming it goes to there, but I'm going to have to cut a splice and try and make everything work. No idea why on earth this is all like this. But it's definitely a piss take. If I had a fucking Adrenaline to go through as reference, this would all be a lot easier as well. But I don't, so I'm going to have to try and figure this all out off the bike, off everything, and try and make it work. Lovely. Those are my thumbs up, by the way, guys. Don't know how I show you them. Like that. Thumbs up, boy. So, whacking out the old elbow grease. Now we're going to get to cleaning. Just cleaned up the wire and loom. Everything's looking all nice and fresh now, not all filthy and everything. You can see even worse how fucked that is for the CDI. Got the other components and that all in there, cleaned up. HT cap is broken off on one side, but I'm just going to put tape around that when I want to try it and hope for the best. Yeah, and we got the old LP here now as well.
I'll shoot up.
Yeah, Yeah.
Painting that actually, in there. Where you do that?
Yeah, I've done all that, G. Looks sick now, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Looking hard.
Wait that.
So Lewis has been washing the bike for a minute. I've been eating a bit of food, so he's been doing everything for a minute. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start going through cleaning up all this shit. Do you know what I mean? He's done a good job cleaning most of this shit up. Look, you can see on the floor all the dirt that's rinsed off it and everything. And yeah, just got that lemon stuff soaking on there to get the last bits and that off. Lovely. So here he is, cleaning up the old yammy forks and that. He's been cleaning that up and boom, look at all these. These are coming up lovely and shiny. I've done them two panels. Actually, yeah, I did them two panels, headlight, tail. Lewis has done the rest and that. He's been doing all that as well. Doing all these forks, do you know what I mean? This guy just comes over, works hard for free. Come on, you got... Go on, like this video, yeah? Do you think LP's a fucking G? Like this video. So, here we go, we've got Lewis. I don't want the airbox anymore, but we have to take the car back to get rid of it usually, so... Go on. Come on, G. That's it, you're getting somewhere. Go on. Oh, the hammer just...
I'm not getting the feet up.
Go on. Get it done, miss. Get it done. That's it. Go on. Oh, you see if she'll fall out. See if it'll fall out. That thing is not breaking, is it? Look at this dude.
Right, let's stop that.
Wait, do you know what happened? The table leg come off. The table leg snapped.
No, it's not.
Oh, it looks like I've got to buy a welder pretty soon then anyway. So, Lewis is just going to cook some naan bread, so I was going to do some work on the car. But look at the manger. Fuel's never getting through that manger, is it? So, I'm going to try that in a minute. Fucking well shitty. But I just want to show you guys a sneak peek quick. Boom. Look at that. Boom. She's dripping because the seat was full of water where I cleaned it all earlier. Boom. Coming up lovely. Don't bother taping the other side on or the exhaust in there or anything because I'm only showing you this side, but still. Boom. There she is. I cannot wait. So I've taken all them panels back off, rebuilt the car after a good clean, put some elbow grease around it all. It's coming up quite nice. It's time to put the cleaned up loom back on. Lovely jubbly. So, as you guys can see, the wiring loom is all on, everything's connected, including a battery, which shut my terminals. I just don't have any bolts for the terminals right now, so that's how I've done it. CDI is all connected back up and everything. Everything's looking good. We're just going to go over a second spark plug quick and see if it sparks. So I just checked using this plug here, and the spark is beautiful. So no matter what, it's definitely not going to have a spark in it, I can tell you that now. Bloody hell. So if it starts up at all, I've got to turn it off straight away, by the way. Just because I don't want to piss around off, 'cause it's straight piped and everything. But let's just see if it does something. It's trying. It's trying. It's running. Yeah. Right, I had to turn it off because I don't want to piss around off. But it runs. You guys just see that. That is probably the first time this has run since 2015. It took a second to get itself kicked into gear, but she did it. Mad, that is a legitimate first run of this bike on camera, by the way. Like, I haven't even done any of this before. So, mad. I'm actually, like, I'm well excited in my head right now, but I don't want to show how excited I am because I'm pretty sure Vern's probably pissed off inside right now. Yeah. It runs. That is a result and a half, that is. I'm actually really, really happy with myself.
So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, and he'll see you in the next video. Peace out.